Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday in the hospital, Sibongile tries to help Kwenzo with a heartfelt declaration. Samke reaches out to Vuma. Kuzwayo also makes a declaration of his own. On Tuesday, Kwenzo tells his family where he stands with Sibongile, and Njengaya apologizes to Jabu for what happened to his father. Samke and Vuma take a leap of faith. On Wednesday, Sibongile soon learns that every action has a consequence. The unlikely friendship between Nelisiwe and Gcina grows, while Kuzwayo learns that all Samke can offer him is friendship. Thank you for watching.